The veil has lifted, okay? Maqala is finally seeing her husband, her earthly king, for who he really is. And she's now saying that unity will begin the day Babake stops using her as a scapegoat when communicating with the other wives. She's saying that Babake, instead of having honest conversations with his other wives, he'd rather use her name, and that creates hatred between them as wives. That if he stops, things will be just fine. And I must say, while I do feel what she's talking about, I also feel like unity will start when she starts to be honest as well and admit that she's been allowing Babake to use her in that way. Not to mention that she never holds Babake accountable for anything. Instead, they would rather team up against the other wives. Hence why it is very easy for him to use her as a scapegoat. And she must also admit that Shem, when it comes to number 5, she is using her to hurt the other wives as well. She has contributed as well to the breaking of the relationship with the other wives. And I'm not saying they're innocent, they have all contributed. Again, Mamake must stop talking about the other wives with her family. Otherwise, I'm glad that she now sees that Babake is the actual problem. We see Mayeni also telling the therapist that she doesn't feel like she needs therapy the way Mseleko needs it. That the person who needs this therapy more than anyone else is her husband. She also feels the root cause of their problems as a family is Mseleko himself. Meanwhile, Makhumalo is asking questions like, what if this is the end of everything? And she's also talking about how she has given up. Mayeni also revealed that they have not been getting along for the longest of time now. Maqala on her part is also talking about she doesn't hold grudges. I don't know when it comes to what, because seemingly when it comes to the wives, she does hold grudges. But hey, she's talking about she doesn't hold grudges. And one thing I can say on this one is that Mseleko better fix this mess that he has created, because even though his wife's relationships are fractured, one thing they seem to be agreeing on is that he is the problem. Makhumalo feels he no longer understands the structure of family, while Mangwabi is saying that he has damaged them because of this vision of his. Let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.